Hello, welcome to Swawal. Today I'm going to show you how to make Sabudana and Vermicelli Kheer. We also call it as Saggubiyam Semiya Payasam in Telugu. This is a dessert made with Sabudana which looks like this. And you can get this in Indian stores. And this is vermicelli. So we take about half cup of Sabudana and 1 cup of vermicelli. And first you need to boil water and add Sabudana to this and let it boil. We have to boil it until the Sabudana becomes transparent. Keep stirring in between so it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. Check again after some time. You can see it has turned a bit transparent. It still has to cook for some more time. But now you can go ahead and add this roasted vermicelli. And we can let this cook together for some time. You can also boil this in milk, but I like to first boil them in water and then I'll add milk after they're cooked. So let's cover this with a lid and let it cook for some time. So now the vermicelli is also cooked a bit. Now let's add milk to this. And let this boil for some more time. Add jaggery as per your taste. I'm adding about 2 cups of jaggery. And let this cook. Add a pinch of salt to this to enhance the sweetness. And do a taste check to check if it's sweet enough for you. In a small pan, take some ghee and let's fry some cashews and raisins. Cashews turn golden brown. Let's keep this aside. Next, fry some raisins. You can see all the raisins have popped up like a balloon. Now you can turn off the stove and keep this aside. Now go ahead and add these cashews and raisins and mix them well. I made a powder of cardamoms like this. I'm going to add this powder. This gives a very nice flavor. So that's it. This dish is all done. It's very easy to make and it'll be very delicious. So do try this recipe and let me know how you like it. Thank you for watching. Bye.